a lot of chemicals in our environment. Chemicals make up everything around us, including our own bodies. Chemicals such as water, oxygen, and carbon are essential to life. But many other chemicals can be toxic, including substances that can cause cancer, known as carcinogens. Carcinogens can damage our DNA and the way our cells work. Our bodies have built-in defenses to stop or correct this damage. But sometimes these safety mechanisms fail, allowing genetic changes to accumulate. Once healthy cells can transform, aggressively growing and dividing. This uncontrolled cell growth is what we know as cancer. Unlike normal cells, cancer cells do as they please. They hide from our immune system and form tumors that create their own blood supply. They can even invade other organs. These are some of the characteristic hallmarks of cancer. They're what distinguish cancer cells from normal cells. Right now, scientists test individual chemicals one at a time to see if they can cause cancer on their own. Chemicals that break down our defenses and cellular controls, triggering a series of cellular changes that create the characteristic hallmark properties, eventually leading to cancer. This research has revealed a lot about carcinogens, but it doesn't tell the whole story. Since the 1970s, about 85,000 chemicals have been approved for commercial use. People come in contact with these chemicals every day, and we don't experience them one at a time. Scientists have found hundreds of carcinogens in people. A group of scientists taking part in the Halifax project have a new theory, that combinations of chemicals could act together to contribute to cancer. As with individual carcinogens, each component of a chemical mixture could knock down the body's defenses and cellular controls, triggering the hallmarks one by one. Combined, a mixture of chemicals could unleash a similar cascade of cellular changes, transforming healthy cells to cancer cells. We continue to try to piece together the causes of cancer. What types of carcinogens might be undetected because we have failed to study how combinations of chemicals affect people who are exposed. To take that next giant leap to prevent and treat cancer, we need to understand how the many chemicals we encounter interact to affect our bodies. Cancer haunts so many of us. More than 1.5 million Americans will be diagnosed this year alone. Now is the time to take control of our health and avoid the toxic chemicals that may cause cancer.